Hello there. Happy New Day. I'm nice and happy having you here. All right. So today I'm going to talk about the basics of HTML. Okay. So straight away, now let's start with the doc type. The first written code on your document, which is the doc type declaration, it is called the type of documents. Okay. Now you can see the type of document that is HTML. The doc is short for documents. Okay. So after that, we now have the HTML tag. Now in the HTML tag, we have two tags of HTML. Okay, this is the start tag and this is the closing tag or the end tag. Right. Even in the body, we also have the start and then the end tag. Okay, the end tag must always appear at the end as the name implies. Okay, every end tag appears at the end, not at the beginning. Okay, so now, the HTML element itself, the HTML document itself begins with a start tag and an end tag, like I've already said. Now, the visible part of the HTML document is between the body. Okay, so whatsoever you write after declaring your HTML documents, whatsoever contents you want to put in your website, okay, as the case may be, is that won't be visible to your viewers. Okay, is written in the body section. All right, so it is written in between this space. Okay, after the opening tag, then it is written in between the opening and the closing tag of your body. Okay, you can see that. So let's try writing something to best explain what I'm talking about. So hello there, hello there. Okay, I save it and then run it on the browser. You can see the hello there. All right, so now this explains that whatsoever that we put on the body section is what will appear on the screen, is the visible contents, okay, that will appear on the screen. So straight away, let's move to HTML headings. Okay, HTML headings. All right, so let's talk about the headings. Let me bring up something cool. Okay, all right, I got this. Now you can see the headings, and the headings are defined by the tag h1, h2, h3, h4, h5, and h6. Okay, so it's about h6. Now we will see the differences between h1, h2, and h6. Okay, there must be a difference here. So when I run it on the browser, you're going to see the differences. All right, now you can see the differences, right? Hello world, hello world, hello world, hello world. You can see that h6 appears to be the smallest, while h1 appears to be the biggest. Okay, so they vary in size. Okay, they decrease from top to bottom, while it increases from bottom to top. Alright, so that's basically the differences between the headings or how the headings are used and applied. So you can know that if you are using h1, your text will appear in a bigger form, while if you are using h6, it will appear in a very smaller form. So that's that. So straight away we move to HTML links. Okay, now HTML links are defined by this tab here. Okay, the opening or the start tag and the closing tag. As you can see, I've written my there, and also the links have an attribute, the href. Okay, the href attribute. So this is a link. Now after I might have written my link and the href, then I write read more in between the link, the tags. Okay, you can see read more here. Alright, so after writing that, I can now check in my browser and see. Okay, you can see the read more, and it has been underlined as a link. It appears as a link, different from every other word on the browser. Okay, so this implies that this is a link. Okay, and then the href attribute there is a kind of it gives a destination, okay, to a specific place. All right, it gives a destination to your link. Where is this link linking to? Where is it taking me to? If I click on this, okay, where should it take a client to, or a viewer to, a visitor to, when it clicks on this? Okay, that is what the href attribute does. So if I should insert maybe youtube.com here, if I should insert youtube.com, okay, So when the user should click on this link, it will take him to youtube.com. But basically I wouldn't want to click, so I wouldn't want to spend your time more. Alright, so if the user click on this link, it will take it to youtube.com. You can try that on your own comfort time and see how it works, and then if you have any challenges you can reach out to me, then I explain more. And also you can go to WT School, get more information about what I've just explained, so you can understand better. Okay, so now the href attribute helps you to give additional information to your tags, okay, to HTML elements. That's the function of an attribute. Okay, attributes are used to provide additional information about HTML elements. All right, so with attributes you are able to add additional information to an element, okay, so that it will give you what you actually want. All right, for now that is where I will stop. Okay, so you can check out for my other videos to see other things related to your problems, and basically I hope we could solve it together. So I really appreciate you watching this video. Thanks, and all, so keep up watching and happy learning. Okay, so thank you so much.